Hi, I am Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, ZAPTEST.AI. API stands for Application Programming Interface and is a set of definitions, protocols, and rules that developers use when building application software and integrating it into pre-existing systems and platforms. These systems work by simplifying the requests that each piece of software in a system makes, with a set response occurring if a certain remote request happens. Working in such a predictable and understandable way means that a developer fully understands the ramifications of each piece of code that they write, speeding up the development process significantly. In brief, an API integrating the two systems together in a simplified manner is what makes the difference between fast development and missing deadlines. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to read the article linked in the description.